All right, this video is going to walk you through how to find the mean, the median, and the mode of data using your calculator. The first thing you want to do whenever you're given the data is take the numbers and put them into your calculator. You're going to do that by pressing Stat, go to Edit, and hit Enter, and then type your numbers in. I've already done that here for you. The first thing I would recommend is that you sort the data from least to greatest. So the way you're going to do that is by pressing Stat, choose option for Sort A, so press option number 2, and then I'm going to put List 1, which is what I typed the numbers into, by pressing second 1. L1 is written right above the 1 key. Then press Enter. What it just did in the background is it took those numbers now over here and sorted them from least to greatest. So if I go to Stat Edit, Stat Edit, I should now be able to see my mode. If this is a really long list, however, it might not be as easy to find the mode. I can see it right here in this list here, but pretend for me for a moment that this is a really long list of data, and you're going to go scrolling through all the data looking for the most repetitions of a data value. In this case, 8 happened here, so my mode would be 8. Now, moving on. If I want to find the mean and the median, you're going to press Stat, and we're going to calculate some special things on this data. So you're going to move the cursor over one menu option and choose 1var stats. L1 is your variable that has all the data in it. So we're going to choose 1var stats, press option 1, and then we're going to hit Enter for L1, which is already the default, and then I press Calculate. Then these numbers and these values come out here, and we have to understand how to interpret this. This X bar, or X with a bar over it, if you saw a previous video, that means that's the mean, or the average. Your average of these data values is 9. If you go looking through these other things, there's other parts in here. This little sigma symbol means sum. If I add up all these data values, they add up to 54. If you recall earlier, n means the number of data points. So if you took 54, the sum of the numbers, divided by 6, that's why our average is 9. But if I keep scrolling down here, you'll notice I've got another option here for MED, which stands for median. The middle number of these data values is going to be 8.5. And that's basically it. You go to this menu list under the 1var stats, and it tells you all the good things about L1, and you can pull the average off the top here, and the median you'll find off the middle of the bottom set of the list here where it says median right here. Hopefully this video helps in using your calculator to help you get the values as well. Good luck.